Welcome to ProKitchen Online Video Tutorial Series, version 11. This tutorial is an overview of the Quest VR feature and instructions on how to create VR files and view your designs using the virtual reality headset. To ensure the best possible customer experience, make sure your design is complete and all textures are correctly set prior to creating the virtual reality file. Open the design to begin. For PC users, navigate to the 3D and VR tab and left-click to open the ribbon. Select the Quest icon on the right. For Mac users, simply select the Oculus Quest icon in the upper toolbar. A dialog box will open letting you know the virtual reality file is being generated. When the Quest file is complete, another dialog box will open with your customer's email address in the email field, as long as it's been added to the customer file. If not, you can add it manually and send the Quest file directly to a customer who has access to a Quest headset. If using an in-house headset in a showroom situation, then manually add the email address you wish to use. Select Send. Access your email program using the browser within the Quest headset. For Outlook users, you must download the Outlook web app to access your email. Open the email from ProKitchen software, then select the Quest link found in the body of the email. This will open a new tab in your browser showing a 3D image of the design. Select the Enter VR button at the bottom center of the window to begin the virtual tour. The customer is now fully immersed and able to navigate around their new kitchen. Your ProKitchen VR files are saved within the program and can be found by selecting the list icon. For PC users, the list icon is found in the ribbon, and for Mac users, the upper toolbar. The only professional design program that enables designers to give customers a virtual walkthrough of their new kitchen, ProKitchen software practically makes the sale for you. Thank you for visiting ProKitchen University. Be sure to visit us at prokitchensoftware.com.